Iman, this one is your new lesson. Mim fatha ma.
Mim fatha ma.
Waw alif fatha wa.
Waw alif fatha wa.
The waw sound we read it long in one alif. Why? Because after waw come alif, so that's why we have read it long
in one alif.
In one alif. That's great. Zaya kasra zi.
Zaya kasra zi.
Mawazi.
Mawazi.
Yes, this one is ya sakin, and we already read in the previous lesson. Ya sakin come before kasra, it's called ya madda, and we have read it long in
one alif.
One alif. Yes, z. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we pronounce from beginning. Mawazi.
Mawazi.
Nun dumanu.
Nun dumanu.
Mawazinu.
Mawazinu.
Ha standing dumahu.
Ha standing dumahu.
Mawazinuhu.
Mawazinuhu.
Yes. The ha sound we also read it long in one alif because we already read the standing fatha, standing kasra and standing dhamma. We have read it long in one alif. So this one is a standing dhamma. So that's why we have read it long in one alif. Okay.
Okay.